The process for billing a client is the following. Most likely, it will start from a dispatch record that has been completed. From there, you can scroll down till you find a button called Accept Payment App. By selecting this button, the billing application will open, and it will show you the information of the related service ticket and all the dispatch records that happened under it. You can see the total amount that's going to be billed to the client at the bottom of the screen. You might want to check with the client that the totals are correct. At the bottom of the screen also you can find the button that's called Proceed with Payment. You can select this button once you're ready for billing the client. This button opens the SquareUp application and it will show you the total amount that we were looking at in the previous screen. At this point, you can use the SquareUp reader. Just connect it to your phone through the sound jack and then slide the credit card or any type of card, and that should complete the transaction.